Hey guys, so if you're curious if there is overheating issue with Samsung A35, and many people reported that they are like overheating straight up. Now maybe it's going to heat up when it's going straight up, but after like a few days, if the heating doesn't end in like 2-3 days, then there is issue like that. So if it doesn't stop overheating after like 2-3 days, then there is an issue, right? But if it doesn't heat up and it's like cool straight up, that's good. So mine doesn't heat up in a regular use, but while playing heavy games it does. So that's pretty much it what you need to know, and have a great day and goodbye.